spices, happy holidays. So in today's video, we are going to be making hot buttered rum. Hot buttered rum is a recipe that my side of the family requests every Christmas. And so I'm gonna show you how to make it. We are gonna make the batter and then we are gonna make the cocktail for it. So if you wanna see how to make hot buttered rum, let's go spice things up. The first thing you wanna do is get a pan, turn it on medium heat, and then get 4 sticks of butter, which is 2 cups. And you'll wanna start melting them down. Once it melts down, you'll wanna add 2 cups of dark brown sugar. And 2 cups of powdered sugar. Stir that. And then 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm gonna use this maple cinnamon, but you can use regular cinnamon. And then stir all the ingredients together till the sugars melt. Now I'm just gonna take 1 container of vanilla ice cream, which is 1.5 quarts. And I'm gonna put it right in the pan with the mixture. And now stir that in till the ice cream melts. Once your ice cream is melted into the mixture, this is what you call the batter for the hot buttered rum. And once you have the batter ready, you want to go ahead and put it in a few different freezer safe containers. Usually I put it in more than 1 container, therefore I can give them out as gifts. People really love the batter for hot buttered rum. Just reminds them of Christmas, the holidays. All right, and I can just go ahead and pour it in. And then you can go ahead and put your containers in the freezer. And you'll just want to keep them in the freezer until the batter sets up. After about 3 or 4 hours, your batter has set and you'll want to heat up some hot water. I just heat mine up in a tea kettle. Now you are ready to make your drink. So the batter I just took out of the freezer and it has set up. So it will be like this consistency, like an actual batter. And you want to pick your favorite Christmas mug. Just take this one. Next, you want to add your hot water. I'm going to put about that much. Stir it so you melt your batter into your water. And next, you want to add some spiced rum. Now, if you do not want to drink alcohol and you're making it for your kids, you of course do not have to add the rum. You can just add more water, but this is how I like it. And it is hot buttered rum for a reason. And there you go. Cheers. Warms in my belly. Well, from my family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye, and see you in the next video.